Hello friends, today we will study about respiration in humans. Breathing or external respiration involves inhalation of air containing oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide. Inhalation involves contraction of the diaphragm and outward movement of the rib cage. As a result, lung volume increase and lungs expand. Air rushes into them. Exhalation or breathing out involves relaxation of the diaphragm muscles and rib cage and lungs return to their original position and original size. The air rushes out of the lungs at this stage. Nostrils and nasal cavity. The nasal passages are paired tube-like structures. The inner surface of the nasal passage is lined by ciliated epithelium and mucus secreting cells. Both cilia and mucus check the entry of microbes and dust particles in the respiratory passage. If dust particles enter the nasal cavity, they get stuck to mucus and are thrown out by the movement of cilia. Pharynx. The pharynx is situated at the back of the mouth. From the nasal cavities, the air moves into the pharynx, which is a common area to both digestive and respiratory tracts. The pharynx opens into the larynx or voice box, which leads to the trachea. A cartilaginous flap called epiglottis guards the entrance of the trachea. When we swallow some food or drink water, the epiglottis covers the trachea to prevent food or water from entering the respiratory tract. The trachea or windpipe is a tube that extends into the thoracic cavity. Its wall is provided with incomplete C-shaped cartilaginous rings. These keep the trachea in dilated position and prevent it from collapsing. At its lower end, the trachea splits into two primary bronchi. Within the lung, each bronchus is divided many times into bronchioles. Each bronchiole terminates in a sac called alveolus or alveolar sac. Alveoli are the actual site of respiratory exchange. Each alveolus has a dense network of blood capillaries on its outside. Capillaries provide a large surface area for gaseous exchange. The lungs. The lungs are a pair of highly elastic, hollow bag-like structures situated in the thoracic cavity along with the heart. The broad lower surface of the lungs rests on a sheet of muscle called the diaphragm.